Okay, now I'm going to show you the inside of this gorgeous little trailer. This is a Kit Companion 97. No smells, no leaks, no carpets. Got all vinyl floors. It's always been stored inside. I bought it from the original owner that bought it brand new. Gas electric refrigerator in the bathroom. It's got a tub and a shower. But it's immaculate condition, I promise you. No smells, no leaks. And there I am, waving at you. This is the bathroom. Everything's like new, even the toilets, all the porcelain toilet. Really nice Dometic toilet. Got a nice wardrobe, closet, ducted air conditioning, dinette booth, queen walk-around bed. It's got a full sofa, sleeper. It's got a hard wall between the bedroom and the living room. The bedroom, of course, like I said, it's a full queen walk-around bed. Shirt closets on both sides. Place for a TV up here. But everything is a walk-around queen bed, as you can see. The air conditioning, it's got a nice stereo system, but the air conditioning's all ducted. It's got a nice CD player, FM, AM radio, CD player. That's all the little movies I got. But it's got a skylight in the ceiling. It's got custom speakers that were put in. My deer horns don't go. Let's see what else has it got. That's kind of cute. I'll take a few of my signs. I had that custom made. I'm going to keep that one. And it's got a little TV. I'm going to keep the TV. But it's all set up for whatever you want. If you want to put a TV, you got everything up there to do it with. All right, I'll hurry and get this video to you. You'll love this trailer, whoever buys it. I promise. Thank you.